Welcome to the second section of our onboarding journey. In this part, we will focus on other types of assessments we offer to support your evaluation and development needs. We will introduce you to the 360 evaluation, a comprehensive assessment tool that provides 360-degree feedback on your people's competencies by gathering information from colleagues, supervisors, and collaborators. Additionally, we will explore psychometric tests designed to measure your people's logical and cognitive abilities. The assessment model known as 360 evaluation is an advanced and comprehensive method used by organizations to holistically evaluate the skills and behaviors of their employees. The 360-degree evaluation is named like this because it involves various stakeholders, such as colleagues, managers, customers, and suppliers, who provide comprehensive and diverse feedback on the individual's performance, offering a well-rounded view of their skills. The 360-degree evaluation process involves the use of a standardized and well-structured questionnaire administered to participants and based on a predefined set of organizational behaviors relevant to the workplace context. This questionnaire is completed not only by the individual being assessed, but also by various stakeholders with whom the individual has interacted, ensuring a broader and more objective view of their performance. The questionnaire can be customized and adapted based on the specific needs of the organization and the individual's job role. Typically, it includes rating scales for each organizational behavior and asks participants to provide a considered judgment on each behavior. Examples of organizational behaviors evaluated in a 360-degree model may include leadership ability, teamwork skills, problem-solving capabilities, effective communication, adaptability to change, work ethic, and time management. Once all the questionnaires are completed, the results are analyzed and summarized, providing the assessed individual with detailed feedback, typically in the form of a structured report. This report usually includes an overview of the evaluations for each organizational behavior, featuring average scores, maximum and minimum ratings, as well as qualitative comments and suggestions for improvement. The output of a 360-degree assessment model can be used for a wide range of purposes within the organization. One of the primary objectives is to identify areas for improvement for the assessed individual, providing a solid foundation for developing targeted action plans. Additionally, it can be utilized for training and professional development, helping the individual understand which areas to focus on to enhance their performance and achieve organizational goals.